Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a flag animation like this in Cinema 4D. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll create a plane. Okay. Now I'll go to rotation and I'll rotate Y rotation to 90 degrees like that. Okay, then I'll make it smaller so it looks a rectangular like that. Okay, now I'll add a cylinder to create a flagpole. Make it smaller and also I'll make it taller than that. Now I'll put the cylinder onto the rectangle so we can start forming the flag shape like that. Okay, now let me check this and see what's going on here. Make plane editable, right click and I'll go to simulation tags and I'll choose cloth. Uncheck the cylinder, then go to plan, go to point mode and use the rectangular selection to select some points at the top and some at the bottom like that. Okay, now I'll click on cloth like that. Then I'll go to fixed point and click on set. And I'll change frames from 19 frames to 2000 frames. And I'll play it to see what's going on here. Okay. Okay, now I'll go to force and I'll add some changes here. So I'll go to gravity and set gravity to 3, set drag to 1, wind direction x1, wind direction z0, wind strength I'll change it to 25, wind turbulence strength I'll change it to 0, wind turbulence speed 0, wind drag 0, wind impact 4, wind lift 0, air resistance 1. Go to dresser and I'll go to steps and I'll set it to 5. Go to tag and I'll increase flexion to 100%. Then I'll go to calculate Chachi and click on it. Then play. Okay, this is much better. Now I'll add a subdivision and I'll click on plan and drag it on subdivision. Okay. I think now I can see the flag now appears more realistic. Okay. Create a new material, double click on it, go to color and add your texture. Now you can add any flag you want, okay? Drag this material on plane like that and see. This is our flag. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.